Hello and welcome back to Learn to Read with Mrs. H. This week we're going to be learning two letters. We're going to work on the consonant J and we're going to work on the vowel U. By the end of the week you will be able to read and spell words like jam, up, us, and jug. So let's get started. J is a consonant. U is a vowel. This is the letter J. It makes the J sound. Now, you might be thinking, well, Mrs. H, you told me soft G makes the J sound. And that's right. Both J and soft G make the same sound. They both say J. And that's because the English language borrows other sounds from other languages and borrows their spellings. So sometimes we end up with some spelling rules that can be a little confusing. But for these videos, we're going to learn to read and spell some simple words with J, and then we will worry about all of those spelling rules later on. This is the vowel U, and it makes the sound. That is the short vowel sound for U. We'll learn about some other sounds later, but for these videos, we're going to focus on the short vowel sound. It is important to know the difference between consonants and vowels because it helps us decide which vowel sound we're going to say. So if we look at the word jug, we see it is a CVC word. That means that the vowel U is sandwiched in between J and G. It's sandwiched in between two consonants. So that means that that U is going to say an sound. It's going to say its short vowel sound. So we can sound out this word, J, G, jug. Let's talk a little bit about fonts. You'll notice on the screen that we have 3 letter J's, and the first one has the little top, and then the second one does not. Those are both capital J's. And then the third J is a lowercase j and it has the dot on top, but they all make the J sound. For our next activity, I'm going to say the name of a letter. I would like you to point to the letter I say. Please point to the S, point to the M, point to J. Please point to the letter U. Point to A. All right, let's do it again, but a little bit faster. Point to J, M, S, A, U. This time I'm going to say a sound. I would like you to point to the letter that makes the sound R. What letter makes the sound J? What letter makes the sound T? Which short vowel says Which short vowel says a? Okay, let's try it again, but a little bit faster. Please point to the letter that makes the sound T, J, a. All right, nice job. Can you tell me the name of this letter? What sound does it say? Can you tell me the name of this letter? What sound does it say? Now we're going to take all the knowledge you've learned from previous lessons and what you learned today about the letter J and the letter U, and we are going to build some new words. As we're building words, you will see that each letter is in a blue box. As I say, or you say, the sounds that the letter makes, I want you to point to the orange dots underneath. This will help your brain make a connection between the letter and the sound that it makes. When we're reading a whole word, though, I want you to move your finger across those orange dots quickly because we are blending. And when we do that, we say each sound faster than we do when we are identifying each letter sound. So when we're saying the whole word, remember to move your finger under the word quickly. J, j, e, j, et, jet. Now it's your turn. Can you read this word? J, j, and j, and jam. Now it's your turn. Can you sound out this word? Now let's try sounding out a word that starts with the vowel U. So this word is going to start with the sound. Up. Now it's your turn. Can you read this word? Let's try a different word. Us. Us. Now it's your turn. Can you read this word? I'm going to read this list of words. I want you to follow along with your eyes as I read the words, because after I read them, then I want you to try to read them. We're going to go right down the first column and then the second column. Us, jet, jam, jug, let, bus, sun, up. Now it's your turn. Can you read that list of words? For our next activity, we are going to be reading sentences. Before we start, I'd like to introduce 3 new high-frequency words, or words that occur very often in our reading. Those words are the or the, put, my. We have the, put, and my. I'd like you to read those words to someone else for practice. I am at the cab. Now it's your turn. Can you read this sentence? I can jog to the bus. Now it's your turn. Can you read this sentence? I put the bag on my bed. Now it's your turn. Can you read this sentence? Don't forget to practice your sound deck. The link is at the end of this video. Practice the sound deck until you are fast and accurate. It's now time for our last activity, dictate sounds. You will need a pencil and a piece of paper numbered 1 through 10, or my graphic organizer downloaded from Google Docs. I would like you to write the letter that makes the sound that I say. Number 1, what letter makes the sound? Number 2, what 2 letters make the J sound? What 2 letters can make the J sound? Number 3, please write the letter that makes the T sound. Number 4 and 5, we are going to be writing vowels. For number 4, please write the vowel that makes the I sound. Number 5, please write the vowel that makes the sound. For 6 through 10, we will be writing words. I'll tell you the word and then give you a sentence. Number 6, please write the word jet. The jet flew through the sky. Jet. Number 7, jam. Strawberry jam is my favorite. Jam. Number 8, up. When the little boy let go of the balloon, it went up to the sky. Up. Number 9, please write the word us. Please join us for lunch. Us. And our last one, number 10, please write the word jug. Put the jug of lemonade in the refrigerator. Jug. All right, awesome job. Don't forget to check your answers on the next slide. Thank you for your hard work. I hope you join me for my next lesson, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's a lesson you would like to see, please drop it in the comments.